today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your crypto and withdraw the cash back into your bank account using an Interac ETRANSFER. And I will also show you where you can find the other transfer options. So let's get into it. The first step is to sell your crypto back into cash. For that, you will have to click on the sell button right here. Make sure that you are on the sell page and then click where it says Ethereum or the other crypto you want to select the crypto you want to sell. In this case, I'm gonna go with Ethereum, so I'm going to leave it like this. And now you have to type the amount of Ethereum that you want to sell. Or you can use these buttons right here to select a percentage of the crypto you have. Then click where it says Review to review your order. As you can see, it will show you the amount, the fee and the total. Click on Confirm. And that's it. You sold your Ethereum. Now click on Close. And now you have to go to Withdraw. So you're going to go back to your home page, and as you can see, you have your currency right there. Click on the Withdraw button, and where it says Bitcoin, in this case, you want to select your country's currency. For example, if you're from Canada, you can select Canadian dollar. Click there, and here you can select the method you want to withdraw your money with. In this case, I'm going to do this by Interac, but you can also do it by Swift, Wire, etc. So I'm going to click here, and then I can type the amount of money that I want to withdraw. Or you can select again a percentage. If you click on 100%, it will withdraw all of your money. Next, click on Continue to confirm your withdrawal. As you can see, you're withdrawing 15 Canadian dollars, but the fee is 10 Canadian dollars. So you will only receive 5 Canadian dollars. So for example, this option is better if you want to withdraw larger amount of money. If you're okay with this, just click on Confirm Withdraw and you will receive an email from Interac which contains instructions on how to complete your deposit. And that's it. If you like the video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next one.